Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to adjust text boxes alignment on your PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and click on this Home option and select an Edit option. And first I'll adjust these two text boxes, top and bottom alignment. Select this alignment option and this is bottom alignment and see this. Also I'll adjust these two text boxes. This is top alignment and set. Also I'll adjust these two text boxes and this left alignment and this is right alignment. Also you can adjust this vertical alignment and set. And similarly I'll adjust these two text boxes horizontal alignment and see this. In this way you can fix all of this alignment and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.